To buy cryptocurrency, start by accessing the Skrill application, either through the App Store or by visiting www.skrill.com in your browser. Once you're on the website, sign in to your account or create a new one by following the on-screen prompts. You'll need to verify your account, which may involve multiple steps, and complete any additional verification requirements to unlock more features. The number of features available to you will depend on the level of verification you complete. After setting up your account, navigate to the homepage and check if buying cryptocurrency is available in your country, as this feature is dependent on various factors, including your account features and local regulations. If it's available, log into your account and go to the Buy and Sell Crypto section. Click on this option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your registration and verification. You'll then be able to add money to your account, select a payment method, and choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Overall, buying cryptocurrency is a straightforward process that requires you to follow the instructions provided on the screen. By doing so, you'll be able to successfully purchase cryptocurrency.